The data given to the right includes data from 40 candies, and 7 of them are red. The company that makes the candies claims that 33% of its candies are red. Use the sample data to construct a 90% confidence interval estimate of the percentage of red candies. What do you conclude about the claim of 33%? So the first thing we want to do is we want to construct a 90% confidence interval estimate of the population percentage of the candies that are red. Well, we know that the total of the sample size is 40 and 7 of them are red. So let's go ahead and open the data up in a StatCrunch. Okay, so we have the data over here, but what we want to do is we're going to go ahead and select Stat and then go to Proportion Stats, select one sample, and we're going to select with Summary. Because we have 7 of them that are red, and that's what we're testing is the confidence interval for 7 out of 40. And then we want to construct a 90% confidence interval. So let's go ahead and put in 0.90, and then we're going to go ahead and select Compute. So let's take a look at our data, and then copy this into our notebook. So here is our data. So here we want to take a look at the lower limit and the upper limit. Okay, so here we want to create our confidence interval. We want to round our limits to 3 decimal places. So for the first one, 0.076 represents the lower limit, and the upper limit rounded to 3 decimal places is going to be 0.274. In the question, they want us to type in an integer or a decimal as a percent. So we're going to multiply both values by 100% so we can convert it to 100%. So therefore, we end up getting 7.6% for the lower limit. And then for the upper limit, we have 27.4%. So let's go ahead and check our result. So we have 7.6%, and then here we have 27.4. So there is our result. Now it's asking us, is the result consistent with the 33% rate that is reported by the candy maker? And it says here that the company that makes the candy claims that 33% of its candies are red. Well, is 33% in this confidence interval, meaning that does it include it? Well, you can see here it's between 7.6 and 27.4. 33% is out of that. So therefore, we would say no, because the confidence interval does not include the 33%. So we're going to select no. Let's check our answer, and there is our result.